In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Salesforce tables. We'll walk through where to find your key data tables in Salesforce Lightning, how to switch between the different display modes, and how to jump between core objects like contacts, accounts, and opportunities. I'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along and apply this in your own workspace. Start on the Salesforce homepage. This is your landing spot for quick visibility into your pipeline and relationships. On Home, locate the My Leads table. This is a compact table that surfaces lead records assigned to you. Click it to open the full list. In this table view, you'll see familiar columns like name, company, and status, along with any fields your admin has chosen to include. Think of this as your working grid. It's great for scanning, sorting, and selecting multiple records for quick actions, depending on your permissions. Next, from the home page, click the My Opportunities table. This takes you to your opportunities in a table layout, which is especially useful for reviewing stage, amount, and close dates at a glance. It's one of the fastest ways to spot deals that need attention because everything sits in a clean, sortable grid. Then, still from home, click the My Contacts table. This is the table that focuses on the people you're working with, perfect for checking last activity or confirming the right point of contact before you reach out. As with the other tables, you'll get a consistent column-based view that's designed for quick scanning and straightforward updates, subject to your setup. Now switch into the Sales app by clicking Sales. This moves you into the standard Sales navigation with tabs across the top, making it easier to hop between objects and list views. Depending on your organization's defaults, you may land on a list like Leads or another object, but the controls we'll use next are consistent across list pages. In the list page header, find the display selector. Click it to open the options for how the records are displayed. First, choose Table. This is the classic grid you just saw, columns and rows, built for sorting, scanning, and bulk selection. It's the most efficient view for working with lots of records, quickly, and for comparing values across columns. Open the display selector again and choose Kanban. Kanban organizes records into columns based on a key pick list, such as lead status or opportunity stage. It's a visual way to manage progress, and it's especially handy for pipeline reviews because you can see bottlenecks by how many cards sit in each column. It's a different lens on the same data you saw in the table, more visual, less column heavy. Open the display selector once more and select Split View. Split View keeps a compact list on the left and opens the selected record's details on the right. This is ideal when you're working through records one by one, because you can click down the list and review or update each record without leaving the page. It minimizes clicks and preserves your place in the list. When you're done exploring the options, switch back to Table in the display selector so you're viewing your records in the standard grid again. From the top navigation, click Contacts. You'll see the contacts list load in a table format, showing your configured columns for quick review. Next, click Accounts to open your accounts list in the same table layout. Finally, click Opportunities to view your pipeline again in table form. Across all three, the table experience is consistent, so once you're comfortable in one, you're comfortable in all. That's it. Starting from home, you opened quick tables for leads, opportunities, and contacts, switched to the Sales app, explored Table, Kanban, and Split View, returned to the table layout, and navigated to contacts, accounts, and opportunities to see their tables. Use these views to stay organized, move faster, and keep your data front and center.